Get together and watch this soccer match which keep you on the edge of your couch. Buckle up and watch it till the last seconds. Hey everybody, it's Jason. First of all, let's stand and give a warm welcome to players while they are warming up. The players in the field, most of them are my friends. They all are students, and we usually play soccer here in the weekends. This week you're gonna watch an anticipated soccer match in torghabe University. This is Torghabe Arena Stadium in Iran with seating capacity of 1,000 people. Nope, I was just kidding. It's just a simple turf field which is built in 2022. This place is on the west side of university, which is an acceptable turf field. I like the way that yellow and green player plays. It seems that they are talented and trained hardly before the match. But he made the wrong decision, wrong pass to the wrong player. No matter. Holy, that was too close. Now a corner kick. The tall player, I mean defended perfectly. Great pass by Mashhad to Surush. Come on man, now it's time. Damn it, they reach and pass. Fantastic block by Hashem. Headshot. That was over. Can he make it? Not again. Lack of concentration is Amin's major problem. They were lucky that the ball wasn't in target. Hashem has changed his clothes. Obviously, he's not Messi, but anyway, he's worn his t-shirt and doesn't matter. Great tackle with no fault. That was awesome. Will this wrong pass change the result? Close and closer, and yes, they made it! 1-0. Man, what a great block. They are susceptible to win. I can feel it. Till here, the yellow player is the best player of the match. I don't know, but they might award him at the end. At the end, let's watch some funny and exciting penalty kick. To be honest, I don't like the word goodbye, but instead of that, watch another competition from my university which I played in, and then subscribe to my channel. See you!